Hey everybody, it's Redsquadron4 here for box break number 62. Single box of Pinnacle 1112. It is shortly after midnight, 12:30 on the 25th of January. And here's our box. And our serial number. And good luck to everyone. All right. All right, got the camera set up now. Away we go. So, I'm going to go through this a little bit faster. And the first insert for the Flyers, James Van Riemsdyk, breakthroughs. Alright, there we go. That's a nice card. For Dallas, we have a prime jersey of Steve Ott. And these are usually quite low numbered, and this is a 5 of 50. 5 of 50 for the Dallas Stars Steve Ott 2-color prime jersey. Base. And we have a base pack. And another base pack. Alright, we have a Rare Revolutions card, James Reimer of the Toronto Maple Leafs. Hang on for 1 sec, folks. My apologies, sorry. We have a game night for the Vancouver Canucks, Henrik Sedin. So, the 2 expected memorabilia cards are out. Let's see if there's an autograph. So we're going to have a random. We have a team pinnacle between the Ducks and the Lightning. Just going to set that aside. And base. We have a Philadelphia Flyers pinnacle rookie, Zach Rinaldo. And it appears as though we have another base pack. We have another breakthroughs, the second of 3 that is going to be in this box. Vancouver, Orion Kessler. Base. And we have for the New Jersey Devils, Adam Larson. Sorry about the camera, I will try and white balance that in a sec. Adam Larson for the Devils. Oh, there we go. And for the Columbus Blue Jackets, the David Savard Pinnacle rookie. Alright. And the base pack. Not going to be, we have a lot of packs left. Hit a lot of the hits early. I know we're looking for a tough times. Hopefully this has an autograph or a starting 6. That would be awesome. And all that for a base pack. And a base pack. Guess after 12:30, I can no longer open packs. Alright, there we go. Base pack. Yeah. Well, look at that. We have, for the Buffalo Sabres, a beautiful starting 6 patch. Leopold, Ennis, Derek Roy, Jason Pominville, Myers, and Ryan Miller. Super low numbered. 3 of 10. Beautiful card. Hard to see. Miller has 4 colors. He's a little tiny bit of white, the silver, blue, and yellow. The Tyler Ennis, of course, you can see he's got some really cool breaks to it. That's a really, really nice card. And we have for the Carolina Hurricanes, Jeff Skinner breakthroughs. Usually when I get the starting 6, unfortunately, I do not get an autograph. But that is better than the majority of autographs, in my opinion. Very cool looking card. Base. We have a Paul Stastny Rink Collection for the Avalanche. base. And base. 3 more packs. Sure. There we go. And here's our tough times for the Stars, Shane Sherla. For the Montreal Canadiens, Brendan Nash, Pinnacle rookie. And our final pack before we do the random for the team Pinnacle. It is a base pack. Alright, so bear with me while I get this set up. In the random.org, I'm going to be putting the Ducks, the first 3 spots, because that's the front of the card. And I'm going to put Tampa Bay, the second 3 spots. Alright. So here we have our stuff. The 3 Anaheims, the 3 Tampas. For re-randomizations, whoever's in the number 1 position will win the card. 1, 2, and lastly, the Anaheim Ducks will receive that Team Pinnacle card. Thanks everybody for your participation. Beautiful looking card. If you are going to be taking part in some breaks in the next little while, just got a new shipment. Going to put up a variety of different stuff over the next little while. So stay tuned. Thanks.